I'm on cloud 9 right now, you know? I'll see what the sound is like with this window cracked. It's probably gonna be infinitely worse, but again, I'm trying to sit lower because the last time the camera kind of sucked. There's a lot of growing pains going on here. I've ordered my shit for the Rode mic, which should improve the audio quite significantly. But honestly, I didn't think the audio was that bad. For that first one, I mean, with windows closed and shit, it's like, it's fine. Motherfucker's gonna watch that for sure. You know, it reminds me of all the, it's just like, oh, look at this old fuck. It reminds me of, of body cam footage, you know? I mean, that's exactly what it is. It's cop body cam footage. It's tight, dude. Tight. Problem is, I really want, like, you gotta capture what's going on up ahead, right? I can't, the fucking view last time was like way too down on the hood. And I hope this shit is hitting, but then it's like I kind of have to sit lower than I'm used to driving, which is kind of annoying, but. Played poker with my parents last night. It was fun. Little do they know, they're training their son to become a degenerate gambler. Dude, there's nothing better than losing fucking money. I feel like a boss. It's crazy to think how much sex I've had that I have not liked. All these fucking losers pass through. It's funny, like, yeah, sex is really... This one chick, I was teaching her to give head because she was just going AWOL, right? Like just going mad on it. And I was like, whoa, slow down, lady. She got so into it, realizing like how hard she was making me just with her mouth. And it really is like, it's a cogent reminder that's like, you gotta slow the fuck down in sex, dude. Slow down, you know? Build that shit up. You just go ham, it's no bueno. No bueno at all. You're the one that I want. Ooh, ooh, ooh. You're the one that I want. Oh yeah, I was gonna go to the goddamn... Fuck. I was gonna go to this Toyota. I mean, I'm here. I should probably do it. I should probably pop in. Look for some parts. I feel like I'm floating on a cloud. I just wanna go home and nap. You're the one that I want. Yeah, I want to go home and nap. The day's adventure is over. You know, maybe I will just go home because I'm like just feeling so good right now. I kind of want some food. Yeah. Where do I get that from? My house? It sounds less desirable. I'm going to cook for myself. No, I always do that. I have really boring sex. That's what I'm realizing. Look at this. Jablonski. I see you, sir. Shaking that ass. This truck driver's looking at my camera like, who's this idiot? It's fucking... I'll tell you what. I do kind of need a more subtle rig. Like, it needs to be on the hat. You know, the question is, how do I get that to happen? I really want some tasty food now. I want the best things in life. So the best things in life are free? That is totally not true. The best things in life all cost money. Like Pokong, money. What do I want to eat? I really want Korean food. That's not gonna happen though. I look like a fucking one of those birds of paradise with like a piece of shit hanging out of my face. You know, like like they always have that floppy dongle in front of their. It's like their fucking head dick. Those birds. That's what it looks like I have. It's just like a little fucking head cock popping out. Bum 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 bum. What do these guys know? I'm on the level. Dum 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 dum, Mr. Sandman Bear. I need a lower profile apparatus. Cause yeah, I'm looking like a fucking bird of paradise. No one needs that. What do I want? What do I want to do? I want to change my life. Sweet love to the angels of the world. To the angels of the world.